In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a torn paper edge effect. This effect makes the edges of your video look like ripped paper, which works great for scrapbook edits, collage videos, and creative transitions. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now, go to the Effects panel and search for Roughen Edges. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Next, open the Effect Controls panel. The first option is Edge Type. Set this to roughen color so the effect generates rough tone style edges. Next, choose the edge color. You can set this to white or a paper-like color to make the edges look like torn paper. Now, adjust the border value. This controls how far the torn edges extend from the clip. Increasing the border makes the torn effect more visible. Next, adjust edge sharpness. Higher values make the torn edges look sharper and more defined. Now look at fractal influence. This controls how irregular the torn pattern appears. Increasing this value makes the edges look more natural and uneven. Next, adjust scale. This controls the size of the distortion pattern used to generate the torn look. Lower values create tighter details, while higher values create larger edge patterns. You can also increase complexity. Higher complexity creates more detailed torn edges. Finally, you can animate evolution. If you want the torn edges to move slightly for a stylized animated effect, play the clip and adjust these settings until the edges look like real torn paper. And that's it. You've successfully created a torn paper edge effect using Roughen Edges in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.